Okay, just a couple notes on opening CSV files, specifically on Mac. So CSV file is like an Excel file. It's tabular data. It stands for comma separated values. And a lot of times we use CSV files in the same way as we would use Excel files. Really the only difference is that CSV files are a little bit simpler and they're not really limited to Microsoft Excel, so you can open them in more programs. So you'll see them used a lot for data tasks, okay? And that's why we use them in this class. But there are a couple things you need to understand. So if you download a CSV file from one of our assignments like this or from somewhere else in the internet, you will have a CSV file on your computer, and depending on how you have things set up, if I double click on this file, you'll see this is actually opening in Numbers. So Numbers is a Mac program. It's not very good, okay? We don't want to use Numbers, we want to use Excel. And it can actually cause problems if you open this file in Numbers and then say save it or close it and then try to open it in Excel. Every now and then that's bad. So what we want to practice or learn how to do is how to not do that. So I'm going to quit Numbers here. And what I want to do is I want to tell my computer to never open these files in Numbers. So I'm going to control or right click on the file and I'm going to go to get info. And here where it says opens with, I'm going to change this to Microsoft Excel and I'm going to change all. So what's going to happen now is anything that ends with .csv, when I double click on it, it's going to open in Microsoft Excel. And that is going to save you a lot of headaches down the road. And that's really it. So again, .csv files, you can open them in Excel. They work just fine. You don't want to open them in Numbers, and we went through a process in which you can tell the computer to never open those files in Numbers.